I'm going to show you how to write a good article from an outline that's created based on the current SERPs. This article will feature some good information about the keyword. I'll also show you some other features like the SEO optimization tool, the image generator, and I'll put the content through the AI content detectors to see how it performs. Let's jump into it. Click the link in the description to check out Writeseed. Writeseed is an AI writing tool that helps you generate SEO optimized content for your blog, website, and more. Here's some of the features. Create SEO friendly content for your blog or website in a fraction of the time. It has an AI editor that allows you to rewrite sentences, paraphrase or summarize text, and create full-length articles. It has a Chrome extension so you can use the AI writing tool for any platform like Gmail and WordPress. And it has over 70 AI templates to quickly generate content. So let's take a look at the SEO optimized content creator. First, just put in your keyword and it'll give you topics and related keywords you should be using. So you can choose any of these topics, and then you can also take a look at the Google search results for that keyword. This will help you with choosing a title and a topic. Then you can click research. Then it'll put together an outline and you can take a look at the outline. So this is a pretty good looking outline. I'm gonna go ahead and write the article. So here's the article. We have a featured image, and the featured image is from Unsplash, so it's copyright free. We have a good heading, we have an introduction, and then here's the headings that were featured in the outline. So this is a good looking article. It gives some good information. Here it gives tips and tricks. It also gives a step-by-step guide for techniques for this article. This does a good job of covering the topic that I wanted. It's about 1,100 words. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll through it so you can see it. Include some more information. Here's some tips and techniques. And then we have common mistakes to avoid and the conclusion. It also has an SEO optimization tool. So you can just click it here on the right side and it'll give you a score. It'll give you the keyword, and then here's keyword density, frequency. Is it in the title? Is it in the subtitle, etc. So here I just added it to the first sentence and it updated this score. It also updated my overall score from a 25 to a 50. Now let's take a look at the image generation tool. So this was an example image that was already generated. This is Garfield, so I'm gonna have it generate another image. Here's Superman. I put in Superman flying through the air. So these are some good looking images. Some of them are a little bit strange, but they look pretty good. Now let's run the content through the AI content detectors. Scribble says this is 100% chance that this text was generated by AI. Content detector says this is likely AI with a probability of 81% that this was generated by AI. So there's a lot of sentences here that are marked as being too robotic and that were detected by the AI content detectors. Now let's check content at scale. Content at scale said is hard to tell, which is kind of surprising because this is one of the more difficult AI content detectors to pass. A lot of the sentences in the beginning are marked as being robotic and AI written. Then as we scroll down, it gets a little bit better. And then here at the bottom, it believes all this content was written by a human. This is why we use a few different AI content detectors to see whether they pass or not. Let's jump into the pros and cons of Writeseed. Here's the pros. It writes good content from a good outline with headings, step-by-step instructions, bullet lists, and a featured image. It puts together the outline using information from the current search engine results pages. It has a lot of templates for basically anything you could need for digital marketing or your website in general. Here's the cons. The content is good, but not great. It's good for budget AI software, but not as good as some other AI content writers I've reviewed. The image generator only seems to work for cartoon images. I wasn't able to generate an image for the article I had just written. It doesn't make sense to have a Superman picture and an article about face massaging. The SEO tool is based on outdated information, like keyword density, for example. Overall, Writeseed is a decent content writer that can generate content fast with a featured image and a really low price. Click the link in the description to start a free trial with Writeseed. Check out this playlist of my favorite AI content writers.